Under the Troubleshooting tab, you'll find an electrical schematic and a troubleshooting module. The schematic contains location and identification information for engine wiring, connectors, electrical components such as switches and relays, and electronic components such as sensors and the ECM. The troubleshooting module contains all of the information for troubleshooting electronic engines. Topics that are covered are troubleshooting, electronic system overview, programming parameters, troubleshooting without a diagnostic code, troubleshooting with a diagnostic code, and a diagnostic code list. In the Operation and Maintenance Guide, you will find maintenance information that is primarily intended for the operator or owner. This guide contains specifications for cooling, lube, and fuel systems, recommended practices for engine operation, and maintenance recommendations, such as maintenance schedules and refill capacities. The next important skill is to be able to perform basic mechanical tests correctly. This includes being able to measure hydraulic pressure, use a volt-ohm meter to perform basic electrical tests, checking boost pressure and exhaust restriction to determine if the engine performs properly. It is also essential that you use and understand the features in Caterpillar Electronic Technician, or ET for short. ET is required to service electronic engines. With it, you can identify, understand, and correct active faults, logged faults, and logged events. You can also read and change programmable parameters and view status screens. You can perform the injector solenoid test, the cylinder cutout test, and several other special tests that enable and disable specific ECM outputs. In order to better understand these tests, the cylinder cutout and solenoid test are performed and explained in the diagnostic section of this presentation.